So some of y'all might be wondering, Drew, why are you no longer doing artwork outside? Well, if you're in Oswego, New York, it is close to no temperature, and all you see is snow around you. Would you want to do artwork out here? I guess not. What's up, everybody? We alive. Another day above soil. I don't actually have any agenda when it comes to making my artwork. If something comes up here, bang, I put it out there and I make art. For example, I was looking at a whole bunch of stuff in Chinese restaurants and I saw a whole bunch of pandas and bamboo. So what did I do? Bang, I made artwork out of it. I should have did this week instead of last week, but it is what it is. So, I was looking at the TV and I saw it was Groundhog Day. So I was looking at the groundhogs and then I was at a produce store and I saw turnips. Put one and one together, bang, artwork. So if you want to make artwork with me, go right ahead. I'm also going to show you the colors that I'm going to use on the screen. Y'all best be ready, because we about to do another time lapse. part ways and leave, I have a relatively important question to ask of you. If you went to sleep tonight and you didn't wake up the next day, would you truly be satisfied with the life that you've lived? If your answer is no, then it's most definitely time to do some soul searching and think about some of the changes that you need to make within your life. I say this because there's a lot of things within our society that discriminate. Death, however, does not discriminate. I want to thank y'all once again for watching my content. If this is your first, second, or third, whatever time watching, hit the subscribe button. It's right down below. I'm also going to include my Etsy and Instagram right within the description. I leave you all with much love, good spirits, and vibes. Until next time, I'll see y'all later. I'm out.